What's up, everyone? How are we doing? I'm at the gas station here with the Jeep filling up. I just took the Jeep up north for the last 4 or 5 days. The truck is done, and I'm going to show you that in a few minutes. I'm just going to explain why. The truck is done, and I put it in storage in a warehouse for a few days just to give it a bit of a rest. The cottage is like 3 or 4 hours away, and I'm going up and back a little bit frequently, so I took the Jeep. As some of you remember from my older videos, here she is, running great. Just got a new alternator and a new idler belt because that was about to blow. So she's running mint, and the truck's over in the shop. We're gonna reveal it now. I've done a bunch to it, and more videos coming with upgrades that I got coming on the way. So let's get this Jeep gassed up and let's go check out the truck. Like I said, it's been resting for the last few days, and it's gonna be ready to rip. I'm pretty sure I put it away clean, but we'll check that out in a second. Okay, so we are pulling into the compound, which we need an expansion of because the buildings are kind of getting a little full. This is gonna be a tight squeeze to get the truck out of. First of all, because the door is really not that wide as it is, and the truck, like in general, is tight with the rims offset. In total, it's an extra like 8 inches that the truck sticks out. So I'm gonna back the Jeep out of here because the truck's gonna have to pull out first. But let's get this show on the road and show you guys the new truck. Okay, let's go. Might be a bit of a battle getting through all these keys we got to dig through here. Like 10-15 keys to search through, so this will be fun. Cash. Okay. Oh shit, I fucking see it. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, I've missed this thing so much. Let's talk about the sled though. How about the sled that I haven't saw in a while? Okay, let's cut to it here. Holy shit, I've missed this thing, everyone. There she is. Fucking mint. Absolutely mint. Damn, this thing looks good. I don't know if the camera will pick it up either, but it looks so good in person. The blue, I'm looking at the screen right now. The blue, I feel like it's not going to pick up completely. But just to let everyone know too. So I got 5%, as you can see, 5% on the front windows and 5% on the back. So it's 5% everywhere. The front windshield is 55. And here she is, all dolled up. Also, I have the rear lights tinted. Let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know what you guys think about the rear tinted lights. The guy who did it for me, he couldn't get into this little wedge right here where my index finger is. But he did a great job with it. As you can see, there's some serious stance there. About 4 inches or so. Looking fucking mint. And there's a sled, of course. And another sled. And another sled. And 3 more sleds. Yeah, this is where all the sleds are kept. But here's the truck. As you can see, so I got the 35's, Toyo Open Country MTs. I don't know if it says it there somewhere. But the 35-inch tires, 12.5-inch wide, with the 22-inch rim, that's 12 inches wide, and negative 44 offset. So this is it. Shout out to the garage, Huntsville. They did a great job helping me get this build together, and I'm in love with it. Here's the front stance. Looking mean. Her name's the Blue Bull. In terms of height, the truck is a lot higher. For example, you know, I'm just over 6 foot here, and the back of the tailgate is just about at my shoulder level. It's quite a bunch higher. If we move forward up this way, you can see the mirror at my head level too, and the hood and everything is just quite a bit higher. So I'm happy with it. The ride quality is fantastic. It's not as good as stock, but it's very, very, very close. BDS is known to have the closest ride to stock quality possible, and they've done a fantastic job. The garage, Huntsville, had this truck done in like a day and a half. I couldn't be happier with it. Anyways, guys, For most of my OG subscribers, you guys know this has been a massive part of my life for the past few weeks in terms of creating content, getting this thing in the shop, getting new parts in, everything done, but there's more coming. So it's stock exhaust, and tomorrow I have a exhaust arriving. I'm not going to say which exhaust, but it's going to sound pretty sweet. So I got a new exhaust coming by the end of the day tomorrow, and it's being put on Tuesday. And that doesn't top it off completely, but that gets a lot of it done. You know, that makes all the windows tinted, lift kit, tires, rims, exhaust. Thanks for all the love and sticking with me throughout this build. Here's a quick shot of the tail lights with the tint. Kind of hard to pick up this way, but they look pretty good.